We allow ourselves to breathe into meditation with that lullaby. Simply relaxing the body, closing the eyes, letting go of the outer awareness, and opening up to the inner sanctuary, the inner landscape within. And simply breathing here. Breathing this moment into being. Detaching from time and space. And feeling lighter. Recognizing that as we go within, we're able to calm the mind and calm the body. That in fact, we are not driven by the mind and the body. When we turn within, we allow the stillness to be the activator. So taking a deep community breath, we let this meditation time have its way within our being. If there is any concern on our hearts, any prayer requests, we simply allow them to be in this space, knowing they are saturated in light, knowing they are elevated and lifted in sacred consciousness. As we allow the silence to do what the silence does, awakening the soul to the heartbeat of God, the one heartbeat of the universe, of which we are all emanating, with which we are all one. For there is one mind. It is God mind. It is this mind, this heart, this peace, present fully and completely in the silence. From this place of inner stillness, I invite you to bring to heart and mind anyone you are praying for, anyone we are holding in healing light, Maybe it's yourself this morning. And we breathe into this practice, knowing that this dedication of this sacred peace, this sacred time, this healing energy is like a tuning fork blessing our beloveds with strength, with healing power, with the full activation of pure love. And so it is. Namaste.